So what is programming? So programming is the language which is used for used in programming software. That means the computer language. So basically, in case of, we might have seen while starting computer on different type of this type of lines are seen. So these, we can't actually understand those things. So basically these are written in programming language. Only the computer can understand this type of language. So yes, programming language is a formal computer language. That means this is a language which computer understand, we can't understand. That includes a control, vocabulary and set of grammatical rules designed to instruct a computer how to perform specific tasks. So in programming software, basically the programmers code just a function with the help of this language. So that's why they are specialized and they are called programmer and we are called normal user, because we don't know this type of language and they know. So yes.